Hi guys, I want to show you a few flipbook style bases that you can create using one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I did do a video for a flipbook style base which was this one here, and I called it tutorial number 1, and I will put a link in the description box for you if you wanted to have a look at how I made this style flipbook. And so yes, I'll put the link in and you can have a look at that one. So I want to also show you today another way you could make another flipbook base using a 12 by 12 paper, and I'll call that one tutorial number 2, which will be this one here. I have a couple more other ways you can make your outgoing flipbook as well, but I'll put them in another video, and that will be called tutorial number 3, tutorial number 4. So then you can always go back and have a look at the different ones by looking at the which tutorial it is. So this one here, I'll just quickly give you a run through of this one in case you wanted to make this one. So this one is a flipbook that measures 5 3/4 by 6 inches. Very easy to make, and again using one sheet of 12 by 12 just to make the base, and then all you have to do is just embellish it and add your envelope, your tags, your goodies, and just lay it the way you wanted to decorate it. So yeah, this is the front page, and then you open it up and you get a side pocket here where you can add your some journaling cards like I have, envelopes, die cuts, your letter, or whatever you like. So that comes with a side pocket, and then you get a page here on this side here, and you open that up and you get 2 more pages, and I put my letter here, a mail tag up here, and this one will have this one has another envelope, and that'll it has goodies in there, some stickers. I mean, you can do however you want to lay yours out, but this is just an idea for you. And then you just close that up, and then you get your back, and I've just put my information there. You can also add your envelope for your letter at the back of the flipbook if you like as well. So that's tutorial number 1, flipbook style base, and today I'm going to show you how to make this one here. This one here measures 6 inches by 6 inches. So this is my front page layout. I just embellished it with some paper flowers, smile die cut, a nice pretty gold doily, and just some ephemeras. And when you open that up, you get this page here, and I just embellished that side. Again, you can do whatever you like. You can add your envelopes here, or you can add a side pocket here and do it similar to this one here. But this one here is just I've kept that way, and you get 2 flaps on this side. I've added some ribbon here just to hold the flaps down because I've added a bit of bulk on the inside. And so I'll just open that up, and then I just punched 2 holes, one on the top and one on the bottom there, to thread the my ribbon through it, and I just added a couple of eyelets. So this is a top flap here. I just embellished that, and then you open that up, and again I've just embellished that part, and then I added a little like an ephemera die cut, and I just stamped me time with a coffee mug in there. And this is the bottom flap here, and I just added a little envelope that I made using one of my dies. I don't know if I've got it here. See if I've got that envelope die. Here it is here. Sorry, I'm just going to have a look. I probably haven't got it here, but I will put it in the description box for you if you wanted to purchase one of these cute little envelope dies. So yes, I'll put some goodies in there. So that just tucks back in behind the heart, and then you open that up. I've just made a little tuck spot down here, and I've added some of my own little tags, an envelope, and some tags and dies, or vellum tag. So that goes in there, like that. And then I added, this is your middle part here, I just added some journaling cards. That's why there was a bit of bulk in there. So I just put some washi tape to hold the journaling cards in there, and then they can just take it out when they want, if they want to use them. And that's another one. And then I added, I made another vellum envelope in here with some goodies in there. And that just goes that way, and then I just embellish the back. And what I will do is I'll put the letter in the back of the flip book. So that's the middle part of the flip book, and it just closes up like that. See, if you don't use, you don't have to use a string, but I just find it holds it down better. And then at the back I'll put an envelope with the letter and my information on the bottom. So that's my other flip book. So I'm going to show you how you can make this one. And what you'll need is a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock or a double-sided paper, whatever you like. And you will need to score it at 2.5 inches all the way down, 8.5 inches all the way down. I'll also put the measurements in the description box as well for you. And then you turn your paper over and score it at 6 inches. Alright, and that's it for your scoring. And then we'll just fold the crease line, so then it'll be easy for you to see where you need to cut your the sections out. Alright, so okay, so now what we want to do here is we want to cut on the left side. We're going to cut out one corner up here, and we are also going to cut out this corner square or rectangle out. So we'll cut this one first and just cut it at the center of that score line and the first line at the bottom. And so we'll cut that out. You can use your paper trimmer if you like to cut it out. It's up to you. Just use my scissors. Okay, so we've cut out that section, and now we're just going to cut this bottom one out as well. Alright, and then we just got to do one more little thing before we put the book together. So you'll have it looking like that. The next step, we just want to trim off just a little bit more, just up to that score line on that side, and also just a little bit on this side, about 1/8 of an inch, or just a tiny bit, just so that you can close the flap up. So like even just that much is fine. What I've got there, I don't know if you can see it, and I'll just pull that off, and then just the same to the top one. Just that much. Okay, and then we just fold your two flaps up. Give it a good crease, and then also with that one, and then just fold that over. Alright, so this is your flipbook base is done. So this will be your front, and then you open that up, and then you've got that page here. I feel like I'm not in frame there. And then this is your top flap up here, and then you've got your bottom flap. Sorry, I'm all over the place here, can you see? I'm sorry. Yeah, so that's your bottom flap. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know if I was in frame there, but I was just trying to show you how it looks when it's completed. Yes, so all you have to do now is just embellish your pages and your flaps, and then also just punch your holes, one at the top there and one at the bottom there, if you wanted to add some string to hold your flaps closed. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will come on here again and do another video for another tutorial number 3 for another way you can make your flipbook base using a 12 by 12 paper. So I do hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I also hope I was in frame. And yes, so thank you for watching, and I hope you give this a go. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.